Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back on day with another unboxing, and this one is actually used to try the iPhone 15 Pro Max against the iPhone 16 Pro Max without the external microphones that I usually use. So of course I got to have a pair of shoes to show you. And as usual, UPS killed the joy completely over these shoes. So first of all, I was looking for another pair. I don't remember which. I think it was PUMA MB.03, and that I'm probably going to get anyway. But I found these and I like them. I actually saw the GS size first, grade school size, woman size, and they looked different, and I liked those more than these. But I really like the PUMA MB, so I got them anyway. So a couple of things that I like about the shoes. First of all, the price. The pricing is good. In Sweden, they are about 150. Yeah, 150, 140 euro dollar. But the weird thing is that, first of all, the models that I like the most colorful ones, the very few retailers we have of PUMA MB here in Sweden, Soul Story mainly, they don't get all the models. And the models that they don't get, that I like, they are not limited. There are nothing special about them. It's just colors that I like. And for some reason, they don't sell them here in Sweden. I don't get that at all. Like, we had the green 1 or 2, the pink ones, and yeah, a bunch of them. So I got the MB.01, I got the Rick and Morty. The slime ones, I think, is also MB.01. I have the Watte, that is called something else. BU, they call BU. Of the MB.02. And the MB.03, I have Toxic and these that are called Spark. Yeah. I've just released the MB.04, French Blue or something. They're not fun enough for me. And these were actually a little bit, I wouldn't say boring, but the colors wasn't as I expected. I would say that these colors are more neon green than yellow. Yeah. And the color are probably on the box as well. Let's see. Safety yellow and purple glimmer. So safety yellow. But on the shoes we have green and pink and different kind of green, and yeah, and the purple. And as I've said in the earlier videos about the PUMA MB, no matter what the model is, MB.01, 02, 03, probably 04 as well, they might feel a little bit tight the very first minute. But they quickly get not shaped after your foot, not like the foam posset, but they quickly get comfortable. And I really like that even though they have released newer models to replace the older model, they still drop the old model. So today, even though we have the MB.04, they can still drop an MB.01 with a new color. And I really like that, and it shows that we really like the shoes. The funny thing is that every time I show people that I wear them in my elevator videos, people think it's so crazy that I wear basketball shoes for everyday use, casual, outdoors. And when I use the Air Force One as an example, that people today have no idea that they started off as a basketball shoe, like all the Air Jordans. And they say that I'm old and crazy, which might be true. So, not the colors that I expected. I'm probably going to post some pictures of the GS size and these. It's not uncommon that toddler size or maybe sometimes even GS sizes look a bit different and are different in quality and so. So yeah, just get what you want and look after what you want. But the shoes that I wanted, my point was going to be, I'm still gonna get them. And the sort of irritating thing is that via resellers like StockX and Goat, I can get the shoes cheaper than via a Swedish retailer. And I believe I have maybe bought one pair via resellers just to try it out. And the shoes in most sizes, not my size, go on sale. And I highly recommend it, especially for kids that want something really cool, that are so hooked to Nike. I tell them, try the PUMA MB, whatever, 01, 02, 03, 04. Absolutely worth the money. Comfortable shoes, really cool, good looking shoes. When I have my PUMA MB whatever on me, I get maybe most compliments. The BU shoes, absolutely. They look too much, too crazy, too out there, but people really like them, and so do I. And these, even though I'm sort of disappointed at the color, because to me it's more or less old yellow, neon green, I'm gonna wear them once, and that's okay for me. So yeah, this was my unboxing video, the first unboxing video with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I used to try it out with 2 angles, but they are more or less just as close, and the sound should be better with the 16 than on the 15. Let me know how it sounds, and if you have seen my earlier videos, let me know what you think about the sound when I'm using the external mic. I'm probably going to do a video where I try them both indoors, outdoors, with mic, yada yada yada. So the shoes to show. And once again, UPS killed the joy of the shoes for me. They dropped them off at the wrong place. We're supposed to pick them up again and deliver them to me. They did not. I have to spend 2 days chasing them, both Friday and Monday, until I got them. And now if I would have seen them in store, I probably wouldn't have got them. But to wear once, comfortable shoes will get noticed. Yeah.